colors alike, got the prettiest side for everyone to.
Let's start with the cookies. In a large bowl, add 300 grams of unsalted butter, softened at room temperatures. Then 1.5 cups of natural stevia or granulated sugar. Add 2 eggs to the mixture. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Mix it well with a spatula or an electric mixer. In another bowl, add 3 teaspoons of baking powder to 4 cups of wholemeal flour, followed by 2 tablespoons of houjicha powder. Mix it well and try not to get it everywhere. Add the butter mixture to the flour. Mix all ingredients until it forms a doughy texture. You can hand mix it too using gloves if it's easier. Place the dough on a flat surface. Divide the dough into 3 equal bowls. Wrap them in plastic wraps and chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes. For the frosting, start with 400 grams of cream cheese. Add 60 grams of unsalted butter and 1 cup of icing sugar. Divide the frosting into small portions with 2 tablespoons each portion. And the rest is kept for the matcha frosting. Always use premium matcha powder for that intense green color. It's super green and I just love it. For the remaining portions, color them with Christmas-like colors. Take the dough out from the fridge and let it rest for 5 minutes. Lightly dust it with some flour. Use a wooden roller and flatten the dough out to about 0.5 centimeter. For this tutorial, you must have a set of star cookies. I'll leave the purchase links in the description. You'll need 2 cookies for each star. Put the cookies dough in a lined baking tray and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Pipe a dollop of frosting onto the middle of the first cookie and place the second on top, moving it so the points of the star are alternating. Now comes the fun part. Using a number 21 tip for the matcha frosting and pipe small dots all over the tree. And then finish it off with all the Christmas light colors. And there you have it, your very own Christmas cookie tree.
All year long I've been keeping track of when I've been naughty and nice. And from what I can tell, I've done more.
The best Christmas baking ever.
I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree.